gonna catch this in their house.
What the heck?
The good is the car has never been this stable. It felt like I was just gliding down the road. I mean, the car's never handled this well. When I left, I didn't give it all the throttle. I pussyfooted it a little bit because it's my first pass, right? So as I left, I was probably about half throttle, and then I laid into it, and it started coming into boost, and right when I shifted to second, it started that popping and banging again.
I'll pull the pile.
So then I just let out of it. Okay. So whenever I went full throttle, it just started popping and banging like it was on the chip again. So I don't know what's going on, but I've never felt this comfortable driving this car now. When I left, it felt like butter.
Right now, from what we do know, we're adjusting some of the things on the clutch, adjusting some of the suspension as well, and from there, we also had the two-step stay on while we're on our test pass. So we're just dialing a few things in right now and seeing where we need to progress things and get things dialed in a little bit more smoothly. As we've learned more information, I'll share it with you guys.
You got the radio on?
I walk the streets all night and day.
We have a few more adjustments to make after the last run. So what we're going to be doing right now is changing up the washers a little bit. We're going to be bleeding the brakes, and also on top of that, we're going to be checking over the engine to see condition, just verify that everything is the way that it's anticipated to be. That way for tomorrow, for the first day of qualifying, we have all options squared away, taken care of, and know at the best of our ability everything was done correctly and everything is buttoned up the way it should be, along with the tuning files verifying that those are fixed as well, because as you guys saw in the last run, the two-step stayed on once again, and it seems like it's just on the chip when it shouldn't be anymore. So we're going to verify how everything's looking tomorrow morning. Hopefully everything is taken care of, and qualifying for first day is flawless, seamless, and goes according to plan.